Subscribe to Petrolhead's Paradise.
He touched my feet.
बस मैंने आज आपको फर्स्ट टाइम देखा, वरना तो खाली.
This was the fastest hatchback in the world. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Petrolhead's Paradise, and it's been a very long time that I haven't seen you guys, and it's been a long time you haven't seen my videos, and I totally understand that my videos are being delayed, but no worries, that's not going to happen in the coming future. Currently the time is midnight 12 and we are going to Mumbai, and I'm gonna meet a person who has one of the most prestige car collections, and I'm going to stay in Mumbai till the morning, and in the morning we'll be covering up some crazy super content. It's going to be a very interesting Saturday night and you will enjoy it. Let's go. Okay, so I've already reached the place. The name of the car is Toyota GT Turbo. The Toyota GT Turbo is just 800 kgs and 200 horsepower, which creates a very good power to weight ratio. Oh, did you hear that? Only one in India. Let's roll. We are with the Aston and the Ford Mustang. So now we are going to the Four Seasons Hotel. We will be making a detailed video with the Aston, which you will be seeing later on. And currently we are in the Stage 3 VRS, which we drove in the previous videos. I can hear a car. Something is coming. Guess the car. What car is it? Is it a V8 or a V10? Guess the car. This should be the night. This is a dream of a Petrolhead's night. So in this open parking lot, we are alone with the CLA 45 and the Aston Martin Vantage. Just completed the shoot with the Aston Martin, and that was amazing. That video will be coming soon on the channel, and that is going to be a super cinematic and awesome video. So now we'll be going to my friend's place. We'll be playing some FIFA or Forza or Need for Speed, and in the morning you'll be getting lots of fun. So stay tuned in the video. There's lots of content to see. So now in the VRS, let's turn the light off. What's the time, man?
5:55.
Oh. In the Stage 3 Octavia VRS. The sky looks so amazing. It was a blast of night. It was a lovely experience with the VRS, Mustang. What all cars we had?
430. We had the Mustang.
430, Aston, GTR, and the Toyota
CLA.
Yeah, the CLA as well.
Scarlet GT Turbo.
Yeah. So guys, we have finally crossed 1 lakh subscribers on our YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for subscribing and being a part of the journey. Looking at the figures, 100,000 subscribers, it's so special, and it seems like whatever we have done on the channel has reflected back, and we'll be also putting new content on the channel. So guys, there is going to be lots and lots of new content on the channel. We are in the VRS. That's an amazing thing here. The sound, it's so good. Sunday morning, the most exciting time, and the most, oh look at the sky, it's so nice. The Aston went ahead. Driving in Mumbai without any traffic is a very different experience. And by the way, I'm using phone light because without video ke liye light is very important. Without light it's this. So I don't think you guys will like it. Okay, so we parked the VRS and we'll be heading to our car. And I miss my baby so much. My baby? Swift. Can you hear that? Can you hear that? Which car passed?
$100 S Roadster
Of?
Ambani.
Damn! So we are in the Toyota GT Turbo. At the time when this car was launched, this was the fastest hatchback in the world. It's going to be a kind of go-kart experience, and I'm excited for it. Really? I can hear the turbo sounds, man. Now I got the experience what is called power to weight ratio, guys. Hey guys, so good morning. Here we are at the Honeyman Circle Starbucks. It was a crazy night, and that night with all the supercars, this Mustang, Ferrari, Nissan GTR, that was really so cool.
आपका क्या वीडियोस रहता है ना, एक से एक साउंड क्वालिटी वो तो एकदम ऑसम है सच्ची में। बस मैंने आज आपको फर्स्ट टाइम देखा, वरना तो खाली सिर्फ यूट्यूब वीडियोस में ऐसा मतलब खाली दिखता है ऐसा, इंस्टा स्टोरीज पे भी कि आउट फॉर ये आउट फॉर ऐसा। बट यार आज फर्स्ट संडे मॉर्निंग ऐसा। हेलो हाय।
So guys, there is a special car in front of me and I am thinking to make a video about this car. So I'll just show you a teaser of this car and tell me in the comments below if you want a video with that car or not. I met some of my subscribers over here. How are you all?
एकदम फाइन।
How are you all? So पहले आप लोग बताओ कि do you guys want the video with this car or
We
not?
are definitely awaiting for this video.
So here's the teaser. With the wide body kit. So this is the Nissan GTR, but have you noticed something special about this car? If you look at the details, this is a carbon bodied Nissan GTR. The front fender, the bonnet and this fender are all made of carbon fiber, which makes it really light. And look at these hood vents, so amazing, right? And those are real for sure. Every vent is functional. And the carbon fiber spoiler, a very different shaped than the stock one.
Tag 88 glam, bro.
88 glam, my brother. I'm good. Subscribe to Petrolhead's Paradise.
See you later, motherfuckers.
फैन हूँ आप। वो आप उधर के खड़े थे तो मैं आ ही नहीं पाया उधर।
Hey guys, so I met one of my subscribers over here and he did one of the most unusual things. He touched my feet. Why you did that, bro? Treat me like a brother. Don't do this again.
टीचर के साथ कुछ करना।
अरे नहीं ऐसा मत बोलो यार. The feeling you gave me ना, that was mind blowing. Thank you so much for supporting यार. Thanks a lot.
वेलकम सर।
What's your name?
संयम।
Good to see you, man.
उन्होंने भी बताया था कि आप आओगे, इसलिए मैं मेन इधर आके खड़ा रहा, क्योंकि वो आज नहीं आ रही तो मैं सोचा मैं भी नहीं आता।
अच्छा मैं एक्चुअली इधर आने नहीं वाला था. Just had a plan to come here. I was going to go home now.
अरे सर आ गए बहुत।
Thanks a lot यार, thanks.